JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
What's good YouTube? It's your girl Fabi and I'm back again with another video guys. So today guys, I've got my new phone. Guys, extra enough. Alright. So guys, I got my new phone. So, wait a minute, so guys, I get my phone. Big up Apple Desire. Yeah, big him up. I made buy my last phone from iPhone 15 Pro Max. I made buy from and now I buy my 16 Plus from him guys. So guys, yeah. Give me a second, guys. Yeah guys, so you see guys, these are the case. Privacy is a 16 plus guys. It's the big one. It's a pink one, chat. My shadow to the sun rays. So guys, my new phone 16 plus 16 plus. So see the guys. So guys, this are the I'm a kid. So guys, this I buy for my birthday myself. These are the privacy protection. Yeah guys, so that's all in the box. So now we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna unbox it guys. We're gonna unbox them. So first we're gonna unbox this one. So you're gonna tear right also. You're gonna tear off right also. Wow! There! Jesus Christ! Guys, look at it. It's pink! So guys, it's pink. Cute and girly. Cute. Let me say you turn on, this is the turn on button right here, so see there? So guys, this is it. You say you can use this and take picture. You see? Cute. I'll take a picture with it. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm getting in the box. So in the box you get the charger. You get the charger, the official charger for it. You have an iPhone something with them here with this. iPhone something. No what else. Bomba. Guys, them not getting nothing no more. That's it, them getting it guys. Is it up until you? So guys, I get a charger with it. The charger alone I'm giving with it. Life better inside. I want to say big up Father God and everything you do for me. Yeah. And thanks to my supporters and big up mommy and mamia. Big up mommy and mamia. Yeah, my mommy. So guys, this is it. I think I have a plastic because oh my god. It's so nice. $16 plus for the dolly per here too. Clap that T, clap that. Clap that. She was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. Yeah, she was a beggar. Yeah, she begged and tick-tock. She begged and tick-tock. She was a beggar. Yeah, she was a beggar. Yeah. Kind of bad. Oh my god. But I read that. What club? Guys, them know me not go so good for the reading now. And them give me them something. Yeah. What am I doing to me? What am I have to say? What I read that? Can't do this reading right now. Guys, I know some not good for the reading. That I'm still give me reading things. What am I doing? So guys, that is it guys. I'm gonna put on a case now. Really? I'm gonna put on a case. So I'm gonna put on a case now, guys. Get a pink case with it. I'm girly. Cute and girly. Cute and girly. Oh my god. Made in, designed by Apple in California. California, guys. Gone past 7 probably. How can I find this? Oh my god! Big up Father God. So guys, next thing we're gonna unlock, let me give me that case here, guys, the privacy one. Let me give me the privacy screen. I'm gonna open put it on. So guys, see here. New phone. Period poo. Clock that T. Today that man. Cause everything's the quick right here. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned because guys, remember, mega start stream. So tomorrow mega buy my streaming stuff. So just stay tuned because tomorrow mega buy my streaming stuff them to stream. I buy my PlayStation Pro. I buy my one PlayStation Pro. I buy the decks. I buy the chair. I buy my new chair. I don't want an ugly chair there. I buy my new chair. I buy my monitor and everything tomorrow, guys. So just stay tuned, guys. And remember to share the video, like and comment and just hey guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Now I'll go I forgot in the tone now. I forgot in the tone back in now, guys. Go fix the phone here. Because I easing this one here. That one here I easing. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you come. Bye guys. Love you guys. Love you, mommy. Bye.